Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you ready to make your bathroom the oasis you've been dreaming of? This mirror from JONKEAN Lighting is going to blow your mind. We opted for the 36 by 28 inch size, which is more than generous for the area that we have in our bathroom near our vanity. The light not only has the LED function on the main part of the mirror, but accessible from 3 touch buttons on the mirror itself is also a backlight feature. It makes the bathroom super fun. You can create any kind of ambiance that you'd like thanks to the beautiful RGB rainbow colors. What's really cool is once you find a lighting feature that you really like, the mirror will automatically memorize the last feature that you used so you can get that same ambiance every time. Don't worry about this mirror fogging up. It has an anti-fog feature that will really defog even the steamiest of showers. The mirror was easy to put up thanks to the enclosed brackets. It feels sturdy and durable. You can opt to hardwire it, or you can plug it into an outlet in your bathroom, which is what we opted to do for now. We really are amazed by all of the features and functions of this mirror. This really is nothing like the old school mirrors that we grew up with. It's fun, it makes the bathroom fun, and it provides lots of great lighting for when you're getting ready in the morning. Once you see how great the features are on this mirror, you're going to be amazed by how much of an oasis that your bathroom can be. You will love all of the different features and how fun it is to get ready with this mirror, and that's my point of view.